This video is brought to you by Kapara Productions. Let's begin. In this tutorial, you will learn all the essential words and phrases you need to know about ordering a falafel in Israel. Falafel is Israel's... Wait, why am I not saying this in Hebrew? Falafel הוא אחד ממאכלי הרחוב האהובים בישראל. Falafel is one of Israel's most favorite street foods. הרבה ישראלים יטענו שהוא המאכל הלאומי. Many Israelis will argue that this is the national dish. אפשר למצוא את הפלאפל כמעט בכל עיר ושכונה בארץ. It is possible to find falafel in almost every city and neighborhood in Israel. לא משנה אם זו עיר יהודית, ערבית, אם היא שכונה חרדית, מסורתית, חילונית, מוסלמית, דרוזית, בדואית או נוצרית. It doesn't make a difference if it's a Jewish or Arab city, if it's a Haredi, traditional, secular, Muslim, Druze, Bedouin, or Christian neighborhood. הפלאפל הוא מאכל צמחוני, ויכול גם להיות אפילו טבעוני. The falafel is a vegetarian dish, and can even be vegan. אפילו בסניפים הישראליים של איקאה ניתן למצוא פלאפל. Even in the Israeli branches of IKEA, you can find falafel. Back to English. When ordering a falafel, in the vast majority of cases, you'll have the following sandwich options. Mana bepita, meaning a sandwich in a pita bread. The word mana means a portion or a serving. Mana belafa, meaning a lafa sandwich. A lafa is a huge flatbread used as a wrap. This would be the more expensive option over the pita bread. If you are not that hungry or trying to watch your diet, you can opt for a chatzi pita or a chatzi lafa. Chatzi meaning half. In most places, this order will cost you about 60 or 70% of the full order. The moment you choose your sandwich type, the man behind the counter will start preparing your sandwich. Some of them will wait for you to tell them what to add. Others will go through each of the different options with you and ask you if they should add it or not. A typical falafel joint will offer the following salads and condiments. The following would be found in nearly every falafel stand. However, in certain places, they might have their own special additions. Hummus. This is, of course, the beloved hummus spread. This is the first step of making the sandwich, and the person making it will spread this in your lafa or in your pita. Charif, literally meaning spicy. This is a spicy paste, which could be added for those who like it. This would be spread on top of the hummus spread. Please make sure to notify the guy if you like it or not. Amba. This is a Jewish Iraqi condiment made of pickled mangoes, which adds a unique flavor to your falafel. Some people swear by it, others are not such a fan of it. Tchina. This is how we pronounce tahini in Hebrew. The tahini you'd find in a typical falafel stand would usually be purposely watery, which serves as a dressing in the sandwich. A good falafelier who doesn't mess around would layer every layer of the sandwich with some juicy tahini. Now that we got through with the condiments, let's move on to the salad department. Salat. When Israelis say salat, they refer to a very basic cucumber and tomato salad. This is a must in every falafel sandwich. Kruv lavan, white cabbage, or kruv sagol, purple cabbage. Adding cabbage can give the sandwich an extra crunch. Chamutzim. This is a generic word in Hebrew for anything pickled, but here we're referring to pickled cucumbers. Chatzilim. This is a generic word in Hebrew for eggplant. Here we are referring to heavenly cube deep-fried eggplants, which in my eyes is a must to add to your sandwich. Chips. Last but not least, we reach the fries. Please notice that in Hebrew, we don't have separate words for French fries or chips in a bag. We will just use the same word, chips, and understand according to context which one we're talking about. As opposed to the fries you'd probably have in mind, which are thin, crunchy, and long, the ones you'd find here are very thick, soft, and oily, which blend in perfectly into your falafel sandwich. The fries will either go on top of your sandwich, or you can request to have them in a small bowl by asking, "Efshar chips batzad?" Can I have the fries on the side? Finally, let's review a scenario of a dad and his kids looking to eat lunch. Hi, אחי, אני רוצה 3 מנות בבקשה. Hey man, I would like 3 servings please. בכיף גבר, אני איתכם. No worries my man, I'm with you. מעולה, אני מורעב. Excellent, I'm starving. תכין לי בבקשה לאפה עם חומוס, קצת חריף, סלט, חמוצים וחצילים. ותפנק אותי בטחינה. Please make me a laffa wrap with hummus, a little spicy spread, Israeli salad, pickles, and eggplant. And please don't be shy with the tahini. בשביל הבן שלי, תכין לו מנה בפיתה עם חומוס וצ'יפס. For my son, please make him a pita sandwich with hummus and fries. בשביל הקטנה, תן לי חצי מנה כמו של הבן. For the little one, referring to his daughter, give me a half a portion, just like you're making for my son. אין בעיה. אני מכין עכשיו כדורים טריים. זה ייקח 5 דקות. No worries. I'm making right now fresh falafel bowls. It will take 5 minutes. אתם רוצים משהו לשתות? Do you want to drink anything? כן. דיאט קולה בשבילי, קולה לבן, וענבים לקטנה. Yes, a Diet Coke for me, a Coke for my son, and a grape-flavored soft drink for the little one. כבר בדרך, אתה יכול לשלם באשראי או במזומן, מה שבא לך. Already on its way. You can pay in credit or in cash, whatever works for you. תודה רבה לך. Thank you so much. That is all, guys and girls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye.